All right. So this is the last game in this Sunday afternoon that we'll be reacting. It's against the Knicks. It will be the Knicks, the number 2 Knicks versus the number 7 76ers. So the Knicks have Brunson, Vincenzo, Harta, and I don't know who the fuck number 55 and number 8. So 76ers got Maxi, Lowry, Harris, Embiid. So let's go. Number 2 versus number 7. Brunson, Brunchin, Brunchin with a step back. Nice tap right there for number 55. Hard kick out. That's a 3, bro. Harris, Embiid. Oh, back to back. That's a 3. Oubre to Lowry. Embiid. That's foul. Count that bucket in. Number 55, you're bullshit at defending. Yeah, talk to him, Brunchin. He's butt, dude. You can't defend Embiid like that. Ooh, crossover. Jump shot. Woo! Maxi, bro, you lost. You lost, bro. Embiid, that's an and one. Count the bucket in. They can stop Embiid. They can stop Embiid. Maxi. Inside. Ooh, he's fast. He's fast. Okay, Maxi. Embiid. Maxi again with a 3 ball. 3 ball. 3 ball. 3 ball. Okay, 9-point lead. Sixers are cooking. Nice pass. Harden. Oh. And one. Nice pass by number 55. So Brunson. And one. You see, guys, this is a center, guys. Number 55 is a center. And he's been passing the ball well. Okay, see, guys. The centers now on NBA, guys, is just absurd with these passes right now. And that's great, guys. I like that a lot. Embiid calling for an and one. I like that, guys. Centers are good at passing right now in the NBA. They know how to play with the cuts. They know how to play with their point guards. It's been basically just point guards to centers, right? But now it's been centers to point guards. If you have noticed, if you're a baller, guys, you know that. You notice that. Who's that? McBride with a 3 ball. And now the Knicks and the fans are now onwards. They've been quiet, dude. The Sixers run in the first quarter. They've been quiet, so now they've been heating up. Dude, the Knicks stadium, dude, is known for its fans and for how loud the fans are. They've been known for their garden. They've been known for their home court advantage, home court noise. The garden is a place, dude, with many historic events, with those Steph 3-point number one, when he reaches the number one 3-point number one leading 3-point scorer in the NBA history, right there. When fans are hyped up, players are also hyped up. They play well when their fans are hyped up. Oh, Embiid! Oh no, what happened? What a play by Embiid! What a play by Embiid, though. Look at that. Oh! Get the fuck out! Number 8. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Pump fake. Boom! Fuck out, but he's down. What the fuck? Nah. But he's been hurt. And now it's a 5 versus 4 transition play, and they took the 2 points back. No. No. Sayang yun. It's a 3-pointer by McBride. You see guys, the fans are hyped up, and now the players now are hyped up. They've been good. The Knicks have been good since the fans are now hyped up. No. Embiid is back. That's great. But he's been blocked. You have to put back though. Embiid is back. That's good. But dude, the play by Embiid was fire. Brunson. Sidestep 3. I like Brunson's celebration too when he hits a 3. That's an and one. Lowry is veteran for and ones. Maxey. Whoa! That's jelly. That's jelly but jelly. Jello. Layup. Maxey. Crossover. Step. Oh! Woo! He's been cooking. Woo! Maxey, step back. Oh, he's cooking the Knicks right now. Holy. I like Maxey now. Embiid, you gotta shoot that. Nice. 69-point tie lead. 69 tie. Nice pass. Woo! Nice pass, Embiid. Gives it to Oubre. First basket, I think. Second basket. Okay. Oubre. Where's Harris, though? I haven't seen Harris score. Cookies. Brunson. Another strip. Okay. Brunson. I like Brunson's game, too. Nice block by Maxey. I like Brunson's game, too. Slow and steady. He's small, but he's very powerful with those drives of this. And his float game is absolutely amazing, too. That's why the Knicks are number 2. Nice block by number... Who's the fuck is that? Hart. Oh, that's a push. I think that's a push from to Embiid. Maxey. Oh, and again! That drive of his is deadly! Ooh, I like Maxey now. That's a 3-point lead for Sixers. Brunson gives it to Bogdanovich. That's a 3. Tie. That's a tie. 82 tie. This is a great game. You know, no team has the advantage. Oh, that's a cookies. No team has the upper hand. I know. Knicks has the upper hand because they got the home court. But no team, you never know what to expect, guys. Not like those 3 games in the that we reacted to. Those were blowout games. I think this will be a wire-to-wire game. Robinson. Okay, that's Robinson. Yeah, it will be a close game. It's just a 4-point lead. 3 minutes to go. Brunson. That's easy. Embiid now. It's Embiid time now. What's up? What the fuck was that shot? Embiid? What the fuck was that shot, Embiid? Come on, bro. Maxey? I think you gotta give it to Maxey, bro. You see now? You gotta give it to Maxey because he's hot. That's a 3. 3-point lead now. 2 minutes to go. Last 2 minutes. Hart. That's luck. Embiid with 29 points, 8 rebounds. Brunson. Who's that? That's Anunoby. And he hits a 3. Okay, that's OG. That's my guy OG. Okay. 7-point lead. Lowry, first three of his career. Okay, I know, first three of his career, first three of the playoffs, first three of the regular season. Wow, wow, Josh Hart feeling nice. You see, guys, when fans are hyped, players are gonna play well. Players are gonna have a good performance. When fans are hyped up, that's called a support. That's called a fan support. And he got the rebound too. Uh, the Knicks are gonna win 111, 104, 7-point lead. Now this is a wire to wire. Now this is a wire to wire now. I think Maxi just shot that in. What? Maxi just shot a half court at the end of the game. That was good. Now I like Maxi now. Maxi has just a great layup, just great moves with those euros that he been doing. Embiid too has been nice, but bro, Oubre, Harris, I haven't seen Harris score the point. I haven't seen Harris score the point. I think in this game, he's got to step up, bro, because I think he's the third top point scorer here in the Sixers, or I think it's Oubre. But man, Harris and Oubre gotta step up, bro, for Sixers to win against the Knicks, because the Knicks have the firepower, have the upper hand with the 4 home court advantages in this 7 game series. They have to step up, bro. Just like D'Angelo Russell, Reeves, and Hachimura. No, the supporting guys, I'm gonna call them that. The supporting guys gotta support the main guys to score, play defense. They gotta support the main guys because they can't do it all the time, and it's exhausting, guys, to make your own play or to run, and then the defense is focused on you, so you gotta support these guys. You gotta support the main guys. You know what I'm saying, guys. Basketball is a 5v5 play. It's not a 1v1, 1v5, not 2v5, unless you're LeBron. When he was in his 20s, LeBron was doing that shit when he was in his 20s, and Steph Curry too was doing that shit when he was in 20s. you know but it's 2024, guys. Basketball is a 5v5 game, and you're away also. You're not in your home court also. You gotta step up if you're the supporting guys. And if you are the main guys, you gotta give chance to uh to your supporting guys, so they can help you out. You know what I mean? Like screen for them, make passes for them, because defense is focused on you. So that is basketball, guys. When you're on the court, guys, when you're on the playing court, you five guys gotta support each other. It's not gonna be a 2v5 or 1v5. You guys gotta support each other. uh but I think the Sixers are gonna win this game too. So I'm betting on the Sixers on game 2, guys. So if you want to bet, guys, like me, or for NBA playoff games, like 2023, 2024 playoffs, just message me directly, guys, or any other sports bets or casinos or live casinos, guys. Just message me directly, guys, on my Facebook page, SDSDD. Just search that and message me directly, guys, and I'll reply to you immediately. Or you can comment down here on my video, or comment your Facebook profile, and I'll reach out to you. Or you can reach out to me here in my YouTube channel. So, guys, please leave a like and share, or leave a like and share to my, or subscribe. Oh, shit, I'm a bullshit. Fuck me. Just leave a like and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps out the page a lot. It helps out the community a lot. and that helps me out actually because I'm planning to buy a webcam so I can do more decent, videos, not like this, like this voiceover that I've been doing, guys. So thank you guys. Tang ina nyo, guys. Tang ina nyo. Thank you guys for tuning in this video, guys. Thank you guys so much. So congrats for the next for winning game 1 against the Sixers. So yeah, guys, it's been Paul Reacts. It's been Paul Reacts with another day for NBA games. If you want me to, guys, to react to any other clips or sports that you want me to react, guys, just comment down below, and yeah, we'll do a reaction to it soon. So it's been Paul Reacts, guys. Good afternoon, good night, or good morning to wherever you are. Paul Reacts is your boy. You can also make me a toy. Tangina nyo. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in, guys. Once again, tomorrow we'll do a reaction video. See you guys. Peace.